Okay, so do you know what happened to me yesterday?
Yeah.
I was getting coffee with a friend, and they told me they never drink cappuccino in the afternoon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, only in the morning. I was so surprised.
Interesting.
Like, are there cappuccino rules I don't know about?
Yeah.
So today, we're going on a deep dive into cappuccino.
Oh, fun.
We'll uncover some of those hidden rules, learn barista tricks,
Cool.
and by the end, you'll be a cappuccino pro.
Great.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into everyday things.
Definitely.
So about those rules.
Yeah, so cappuccino does have a rich history and culture, especially in Italy where it originated.
Ah, okay.
And your friend is right, it is traditionally a morning drink.
But why, though? Is it, like, a health thing?
Maybe.
Like too much milk after a big pasta lunch?
Well, there's no scientific reason, really.
Right.
It's more of a cultural tradition.
Hmm.
Italians just believe milk is a bit heavy,
Okay.
so they prefer it earlier in the day. But hey, no judgment from me if you want a cappuccino later in the day.
Right. Like sometimes you just need that phone, you know?
Yeah.
That's my favorite part.
The phone.
Yeah. But whenever I try to make it at home, it's a disaster.
Oh, no.
Like a milk bubble bath,
Well,
honestly.
the foam, it's definitely the heart of a good cappuccino.
Yeah.
And trickier to master than it looks.
Mm-hmm.
That smooth texture is called microfoam.
Microphone.
Yeah. It's all about tiny, tiny air bubbles that are evenly in the milk.
Okay.
Getting it right is tough.
I can imagine.
One of the biggest mistakes is using warm milk.
Warm milk.
You actually need cold milk to get the right texture.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah.
I always thought warm milk would be easier.
It seems like it, I know.
Yeah.
But cold milk helps you get more air in.
Hmm.
That makes those fine bubbles we want.
Gotcha.
Another key tip is using a good steam wand
Okay.
and holding it at just the right angle,
Uh-huh.
to make that shh sound.
Oh, yeah.
My friend showed me this. They're a barista.
Oh, cool.
Apparently, you gotta make a whirlpool in the milk.
A whirlpool.
Yeah, while you're frothing.
Interesting.
Yeah, you swirl it around to get the air even.
So there's a lot to it.
It's more than just pouring milk in a cup, yeah.
Like a real art form.
I think so.
Wow, I had no idea.
Me neither, really.
So cool.
Yeah. Speaking of art,
Oh, yeah.
have you seen those designs baristas make?
Oh, yeah, the latte art.
Exactly.
I'm always impressed.
I know, right?
I could barely draw a stick figure,
Uh-huh.
let alone make a swan in my coffee.
It takes some skill, yeah.
Is there a trick to it?
It takes practice
Mm-hmm.
and a steady hand,
I bet.
but the key is that microfoam.
Oh, right.
It has to be the perfect consistency
Okay.
to hold its shape and flow smoothly.
So a good design means a good cappuccino.
It can, yeah.
How so?
It shows the barista mastered the techniques.
I see.
Like a poorly formed design.
Yeah.
It could mean the foam is too thick
Oh, okay.
or too thin. Huh.
Which affects the taste.
Oh, I never thought about that.
Yeah. There's so much to it.
It's like its own language.
Kind of? Yeah.
I'll be paying more attention now.
I think I will too.
So all this cappuccino talk
Yeah.
makes me think about cost.
Yes.
Like my friend spends $15 a day.
Wow, that's a lot
I know.
on cappuccino.
Yeah.
That's a toffee habit for sure.
But sometimes you need it,
I get it.
I love those coffee shop vibes.
Totally.
But yeah, it adds up.
A daily cappuccino will do that.
Any tips for saving money?
Well, have you considered bringing your own cup?
Oh, yeah, I've seen that.
A lot of shops give you a discount
Really?
if you bring your own.
Hmm.
It's win-win.
How so?
You save money,
Okay.
and it's good for the planet.
Less waste.
Exactly.
I could get a fun travel hug,
Oh, nice.
like with a coffee quote or something.
Uh-huh. There you go.
Making my own little ritual.
I love it.
Speaking of rituals,
Yeah.
do you add anything to your cappuccino? Like sugar or cinnamon?
Yeah.
I like it plain.
Me too. I'm a purist.
Nice.
But I know people who love cinnamon.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
They say it adds a warmth.
Interesting.
I guess it depends on your taste.
It really does.
There's no right or wrong way.
That's the beauty of it.
This deep dive has been eye-opening.
It has.
I feel like I know so much more now
Me too.
about something I thought I knew, you know.
Oh, it's funny how that happens.
So to wrap things up,
Okay.
what are the key takeaways for our listeners? I think the biggest thing for me is cappuccino is more than a drink.
Oh, for sure.
It's like a whole cultural thing.
Yeah, definitely.
With so much history and all those techniques.
Like using cold milk.
Yeah, and the whirlpool thing.
It's all about the microphone.
Right, all those tiny bubbles.
Exactly.
And the latte art, too.
Oh, yeah.
It's not just for looks.
No, not at all.
It shows the barista's skill.
For sure.
Like a good cappuccino fingerprint.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And even though it can be expensive, we learned some ways to save.
Like bringing your own cup.
Right, which helps the planet, too.
Win-win.
Plus, you can get a cool mug.
Totally.
Like with a funny quote.
Make it your own.
Exactly.
And however you like your cappuccino.
Sweet, simple, cinnamon, whatever.
There's no wrong way.
It's all about your taste.
I love that.
This deep dive has been great.
I agree.
I feel like a cappuccino expert now.
Me too.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
For more deep dives.
Into everyday things.
Happy sipping.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.